You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. So you can see 192.168.1.208/28, 2 hosts per subnet. So I can do the same calculations. H equal 2 means n equal 30 and 252 is the subnet mask. From that you can find the multiplier, which is going to give me 256 minus 252 is 4 in the 4th octet. So again I can write the networks, right? I am not repeating it again and again. You can simply understand this, right? So likewise I can write the 208 network for my 2 hosts per subnet requirement. Okay, and after that I have enough networks again. If I need anything, I can use these 192.168.1.212 or 216 or 220. All these are subnets. But since I don't have any requirement for this, I can just simply keep it for later usage. And still now you can remember 192.168.2.0/24 and 3.0/24 are completely saved. Okay, which means a complete network with 255 addresses in each network class C1. Around more than 250 addresses are there, right? Still we didn't allocate it because we saved it. That is our purpose and we got it, right? Next, by specifying an IP address, they will ask you to find out from which particular subnet this IP address is from. Which means, for example, let's say in the previous slide, you are having several subnets, right? Let's say if you need only 4 IP addresses in a subnet, in that case you will have many subnetworks like this, 208, 212, 216. Likewise you will have many subnets, and for instance they might specify a particular IP address. Let's say 192.168.1.118 or 1.218. okay, let me go for that. 192.168.1.218. they will ask you from which subnet this IP address is from. So 192.168.1.218/28 is from this particular subnet, right? 192.168.1.216/28. okay, so you need to find this one. So in order to find that, there is another calculation. You are going for 2 to the power nh mask multiplier, then division, multiplication, then networks. Okay, in between your multiplier and networks you are adding 2 things, which is division and multiplication. Okay, I will explain it. So in this calculation they are specifying 192.168.1.235/28 from which subnet. Okay, so in this calculation they are asking you 192.168.1.235/28. so they wanted this particular IP address, the subnet network address. So you need to find from which subnet this IP address is from. Okay, so to do that you just have to find the 2 to the power nh mask multiplier, division, multiplication and networks. Okay, simply before I do the calculation part, I just explain this one. So you will have the networks like 192.168.1.192/28, 192.168.1.208/28 and 192.168.1.224/28 and 240/28. okay, consider all these are different networks or subnets. Here the 1.235 IP is from this particular network, right? 192.168.1.224/28. you can see it here, it's shown, right? So after our calculation the answer should bring us our 192.168.1.224/28. okay, I'm just explaining the answer here so that after doing the calculation you can confirm we got this answer. Okay, so this is what our requirement. So let's now move on for the calculation part. They are asking you to find particular IP address subnet, right? So initially you need to start from the /28 subnet mask here. Okay.